Hey guys, so we know how to create strings already. This is how you create your strings. And I feel now that we've discussed about functions, it is right or the proper time for us to talk about string functions. So string functions are actually functions that you use in transversing your strings, just like we had in our math function. So in the first one in string function, so for you to use string functions, you have to import the string.header file, okay? If you don't have this file, your string functions won't work. Now, the very first one we have is string to lower, okay? So this converts a string to lowercase. So let me convert everything here in string 1 to lowercase. So I have my P arrow in capital letter. So let's check that out. And as you can see, everything is in lowercase already. And the next one is it converts everything to uppercase, okay? So let's comment this out. Let me clear this. Then string to upper, this converts everything to uppercase. And as you can see from this, we have this all in uppercase now. The next one is string cat. So what does string cat does? String cat appends string 2 to string 1. So it will append this second string to the first string. So let's try this. Oh, sorry, string cat. I didn't even comment it. So it's uncommented now. So let's do that. So as you can see, we have precious Irreho without space, and that is what cat does, string cat. Now, what if we want to append just some characters from the second one to the first one? So maybe I want to append just this, my first 3 letters. I can do this by saying just 3 here. Okay, clear. And as you can see, precious Iri, because I said 3 letters here. Okay, so the next one is string copy. So string copy is going to copy string 2 to string 1. And let's see that in action. So let's copy string 2 to string 1. And string 2 has replaced string 1. Alright. So what if you don't want to copy everything? Let's say we want to copy just 3 characters. Clear, run. And as you can see, Iricious. So these first 3 letters, characters, have replaced PRE, and now we have Iricious. Never thought of that. And let's go. Then the next one is string set. So you use string sets to replace all the characters of a string to another character. So let's say we want to turn everything to question mark in string 1. And as you can see, everything is turned to question mark in string 1. What if you want to turn just some characters in string 1 to X? Let's say 5. And as you can see, just 5 of it have been turned to X. Also, string reverse is going to reverse the string. So let's see how that works. So you see, my name Precious has been reversed from the back to the front. That is what string rev does, string reverse. Then also, this is an if statement, and we will be using this with this. So we have int result. We have something called string length. So to get string length, it's going to return an integer. So let's do this first. So string length of string 1, since this is an integer, so we have to turn this to D, and let's see what it returns for us. Oh, there's an error. So string length of string 1, so int result, sorry, so this is result. Okay, so let's clear this. And as you can see, we have 8. That is the length of the string. So if you count Precious, you have 8 characters in Precious. The string compare is used to compare all characters. So you can check if they are matching, and that is why we have the if statement. So if okay, so results. So we want to compare if string 2 and string 1, if they match, okay, but it should return 0 because they don't. So these strings are not the same. You can see if the result is equal to 0, these strings are not the same. They don't match. Precious and Iri don't match. So same thing, it compares, the other one compares some characters. So this one can compare, let's say, the first character to what we have, and it will still be 0 because they don't match, okay? So you see, these strings are not the same. So guys, this is it basically on string functions. There are a lot of other functions inside of the string.h header file, but for now, these are the common ones that you would use, and if you want to learn more, then you would have to go out there and do some more research on your own. So guys, I'll see you in the next video.